Hello everyone, this is Sangeetha, Assistant Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Engineering. So in the last video we discussed about the image degradation, restoration function and various noise models. So the noise models are in image processing simulate the random variations like Gaussian, salt and pepper, or poison noise, how it will affect the pixel intensities. So how the noise model used to analyze and used to reduce the noise in the restoration process. So in this video we are going to discuss about inverse filtering. So inverse filtering is a technique used in image processing to restore the image that has been degraded by a known distortion, typically due to blurring noise introduced during the acquisition process. It is denoted by g of x comma y is equal to h of x comma y convolute with f of x comma y plus n of x comma y, where g of x comma y is a degraded image, h of xy is the degradation function, and f dash of xy is f of xy is the original image, and n of xy is the additive noise, and convolution is a denotes the convolution. So this is the derivation. This is the derivation for the inverse filtering. So to perform in practice, it involves transformation of degraded image g of xy into frequency domain using Fourier transform, and we have to apply the inverse of the degradation function h of u comma v, and the last process is reconstructing the restored image using inverse Fourier transform. So the main advantage, of this inverse filtering is very easy to understand and implement, especially when the degradation function is known, and it is ideal for noiseless images. That is, it works well when the degradation function is exactly known and noise is minimal. And the third advantage is it restores the blurred image. That is, the effective in removing blur caused by known degradation function, example due to motion blur. So these are the main advantages of inverse filter, and the main disadvantage of this filter is it is very sensitive to noise. It amplifies high frequency components, so it leads to the excessive noise when the degraded image is noisy, and unstable for small values, that is h of u comma v. For the division becomes unstable, it leads to significant errors, and it requires accurate degradation model. So the method is only effective if the degradation function is well known and accurately modeled. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of using inverse filter in the image restoration function. And the main application of image inverse filter is motion blur restoration. That is, inverse filtering is applied to remove motion blur caused by camera or object movement during image capture. And the next application is optical system restoration. That is, it is used in optical imaging system to correct blurring due to imperfect lenses or optical systems. So the third one is astronomical images. So it helps in the restoration of blurred astronomical image captured by telescopes, and it is mainly used in medical imaging, and the medical imaging applied in medical image restoration. It removes the artifacts from MRI, CT or X-ray images. So the inverse filtering is mainly used in a controlled situation where the degradation model is well defined. So inverse filter is utilized in medical imaging to enhance the quality of images affected by various degradations. So the MRI and CT restoration, it is used to correct blurring motion during scans, which can occur if a patient moves or if there are any psychological physiological movements, that is breathing, due to breathing. And in ultrasound imaging, it helps to restore ultrasound images affected by motion artifacts or acoustic shadowing. So it improves the visibility of structures. And digital radiography, it is applied to enhance X-ray images that may have seen blur due to patient movement. So using this inverse filter in medical field, it improves the diagnostic, that is enhancing image clarity can aid radiologists in making more accurate diagnosis. And better visualization of structures, it restoring the fine details in anatomical structures can assist in surgical planning and treatment evaluation. So inverse filtering is mainly used in controlled situations where the degradation model is well defined, but noise reduction techniques may be needed to complement it due to the noise sensitivity. Hope this video will help you to understand the inverse filtering. Thank you.